Yogi Snack. Oh, having trouble sleeping? Then this is the little snack you want to take away with you today. We're going to look at a little pranayama. It's based off a pranayama exercise, a breathing technique that was invented, I guess, or created by Dr. Andrew Weil. I think I've got your name right. And so it's based off pranayama, where we inhale and exhale and do some hold, some breath retention. This is called the 4-7-8 breathing technique. So the idea is you breathe in for a count of 4, you breathe out, you hold the breath for a count of 7, and then you breathe out for a count of 8. But the inhale is through the nose and the exhale is a forceful whooshing sound through the mouth. And you only need to do 6 to 8 of these breaths. You don't need to overdo it. And it basically puts the nervous system into rest and digest, into that parasympathetic mode. So let's have a look at it together. First of all, exhale, so you get rid of all the excess oxygen in your lungs. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 7. Wash it out for 8. Until there's nothing left. Then you do it again. Again. And you should feel nice and relaxed. Now, it doesn't work for everyone, but it is very effective for a large majority of people. So if you're finding that you're having a hard time sleeping, just lie there comfortably and do your 4-7-8 breathing. It's as easy as that. Breathe in for 4, hold for 7, and whoosh it out through your mouth for 8. If you want to be super technical, you can stick the tip of the tongue on the back of your top teeth. That's what Dr. Weil suggests, but just a normal whoosh is fine as well. Give it a go. Let me know how it works for you, and I'll be back with another Yogi Snack at another time. Ciao.